Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use hyaluronic acid pure serum. This powerful ingredient is a humectant, meaning it draws moisture from the environment into your skin. It's fantastic for all skin types, providing intense hydration and helping your skin look plump and smooth. Understanding its basic function is the first step to incorporating it effectively into your routine. For best results, always start with a clean, slightly damp face. After cleansing and toning, dispense just 2 or 3 drops of the pure hyaluronic acid serum into your palm. Gently pat the serum evenly across your face and neck. Applying it to damp skin helps the product draw in and lock that moisture, maximizing its hydrating power before you seal it in. To truly boost your serum's effectiveness, consider layering. Apply your hyaluronic acid serum first, then follow with a good moisturizer to seal in all that hydration. Also, remember that internal hydration is crucial. Drinking enough water supports your skin's health from the inside out. Make it a consistent part of your morning and evening routine for the best long-term results. While hyaluronic acid is amazing, there are a few common mistakes to avoid. The biggest one is applying it to completely dry skin. Always ensure your face is damp. Also, resist the urge to use too much. A few drops are sufficient, and more won't necessarily give you better results. For other great deals and to check out the darn tough socks mentioned, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.